Hi, wanna know how to check if your Xiaomi Redmi 13C is original or fake? So, today we will check few ways how to check if your phone is original or not. So, as a first step, we would need to open our phone application, and here on the keypad we would need to enter a combination of symbols and numbers, which is star hash 06 hash. After this, on your screen will appear information about both of the IMEIs and also a serial number. After this, we would need to take a box from your phone. Here is it, how the box looks. And here on the side, you should be able to find a sticker with information where you need to make sure that both of the IMEIs and also serial number are the same as the information on the screen. So after you have checked it and everything is perfectly the same, now we would need to do one thing, and that's to copy one of the IMEIs on your phone. So for example, I'll choose the first one, and here we would need to hold our finger on these gray numbers and then select also the /61 and then click on this button copy. This is it. Let's click OK and move on. As a next step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named About Phone. Click on it, then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Detailed Info and Specs. Click on it, then scroll down again until you'll find a kernel version. We would need to click on this kernel version about 8 times until you'll enter a test mode. So let me show you how it looks. I'll keep clicking on it until I'll start getting this notification that you're one step away from entering CAT. And here to find also the serial and IMEIs, we would need to click on this tab which is named Software Version. So let's click on it. Here you can see both of the IMEIs, also build number and some more information about your phone. Also take the box from your phone and make sure that both of the IMEIs are the same as on the box. So now after we have copied the first IMEI, we can go back by clicking on this back button, and here on the pop-up message exit we click OK. And now if your phone has passed both of the tests that we have done before, let's move on to the third final one, and this is IMEI check with the help of website. You can use the original Xiaomi website, but for me it unfortunately didn't work, so today I'll be using this site which is named IMEI 24 in the tab Xiaomi Warranty Free IMEI Check. So let's open it, and here we would need to paste the IMEI of our phone. So I have saved it in the clipboard, and now we would need to click check. Now as a next step, some of these sites can also ask you to pass a robot test, that you are a human and not a robot. So let's click the CAPTCHA and do it. And by clicking on this button, I'm not robot, we have done the CAPTCHA. Here, as you can see, we got some information on the site and also model information, which is Xiaomi Redmi 13C Midnight Black. And this is absolutely correct. So if by entering the IMEI or serial number, the site is able to give you the information about your phone, the chance of your phone being original is really high. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.